Good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever time it is in your area. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope you guys are doing well today. I know I am. I am doing another makeup video, as you can see. This is what I put together. And if you guys want to know how I made this look, then keep on watching. But before we do, I just want to leave you with a little quote that I saw today that I thought it really resonated with me. So I want to leave you guys with it too. It says that being faithful in prayer means inviting God into our circumstances. So don't ever forget that, you guys. And if you don't mind, if you like my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys like, what you guys would like to see. And without further ado, let's go into the video. Peace. Today I'll be using the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. Use a setting powder from number 7. Next, we're going to use the NYX setting spray as well, or finishing spray. This is the Nyx Dewy Finish because I'm planning to use a matte foundation and I don't want it to be so cakey. So I try to use anything that's like dewy so that it won't be super matte or won't feel like really tight on my skin. So for foundation today, I'm using the I Am Magic foundation by Juvia's Place. This is a velvety matte foundation, and I will be applying this with a beauty sponge. This is full coverage, or it's buildable, should I say, but it is pretty full coverage to me, so that kind of seems like a lot, but we're going to dot and apply. This foundation, for some reason, when I went to buy it, like I kept having to change it. I still feel like this color still doesn't match, but I've worked with it before. So after I do like my full face of makeup, you can't really tell that it doesn't really match that much of my face. But I'm using the shade Aruba 510. I had used something a little lighter, but I felt like it was too white, and I kind of have like a I want to say neutral undertone. Sometimes it's yellowy. It depends on the season. Like sometimes in the summer I feel like I'm more yellowy. During the winter I'm more neutral. I'm usually like in the mediums, olivey type of color. But yeah, I know it looks super yellow because I noticed that myself. But after it oxidizes and all of that throughout, you know, the time, it kind of like fades, and along with everything else, yeah, it doesn't look as bad later on. But you see how just with that one little drop, I was able to do my full face. Like, that's crazy how much coverage it has. So I really like this foundation. It's just very difficult, especially now during COVID, to find a foundation that actually matches you, because you can't do matching in the store. They advise you to go ahead and grab a color that they suggest. They'll look at you and tell you, okay, I think this one works. And if it doesn't, just bring it back. They'll give you your money back, or you could exchange for a different color or whatever. So I did that probably like, I want to say once or twice, but I felt like this one was the one that best matched me. I could be wrong, but hey, it's really difficult during COVID. So yeah, they do match online, but I don't trust those, because sometimes the camera will capture you and say that you're a certain color and it's really not. I guess it depends on the lighting also around you, but yeah. Next, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wear Concealer on my eyelids. And I'm going to use the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place. Going to start off with Katsina. Going to go in with Jamila, a little towards the top. And then next, I'm gonna use Senegal. I'm gonna use a flat brush to put this on my lid. Next, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of shad. So now I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal 4-Wear Infallible Concealer. So I'm going back in with the number 7. Number 7 Sudden Powder.
Powder?
Yeah, powder.
Yeah, powder.
Now I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier Soleil 2 Matte Bronzing Powder.
Powder?
And for blush, I'm gonna use the Master Contour Maybelline New York. It's 3-in-1. Now to remove the setting powder. And I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna go back. So I'm gonna go back in with Chad. I'm using a very flat brush. So for highlighter, I went in with the J Cat Luxe Pro Powder in Pearl Illuminizer. Now for lips, I'm gonna use the NYX Suede in the color Club Hopper. go in with the Nyx lingerie.
Mommy!
Does mommy look pretty?
Yeah!
Wow.